Folks, in this video, we're going to be reviewing the United Cash Express flyer. I'm very excited about it. I want to talk to you about what just came in. Phenomenal growth in this flyer, and I cannot be more excited. Let's talk about it on the other side. Hey, folks, Tim Thomas here. I could not be more excited to talk to you about this flyer, the United Cash Express flyer. So, guys, before I start the video, go ahead and like the video. It helps rank the video higher. You may consider subscribing to the channel. The channel's about money making opportunities, a way to exponentially grow your income. Folks, we're having so much fun with these work and home programs. They are astounding as to what you can have happen in your life for you and your family. And I could not be more excited. We're going to show you a payment that just came in, and I'm going to tell you what's so remarkable about this payment on this United Cash Express flyer. As you can see, guys, over at the YouTube channel, I market several programs, and it seemed like, you know, we're in several programs, but guys, we talk about the same things over and over and over again. United Cash Express flyer, guys, I introduced it about 6 months ago, guys. This is a video I did 6 months ago. Guys, let me tell you what, this flyer is amazing. And that's what you do, folks. Set up streams of income. Become your own boss. Become the CEO of your life. And build multiple streams of income. These flyer programs, folks, and these affiliate marketing programs can literally last forever. I'm telling you. The Millionaire Mail has been around for over going on 9 years, and that thing's still pumping out payments. And when you start building teams of people, they will follow you around in multiple programs, and it will be more than enough income to help satisfy your life. I'm excited about it. Now, let me tell you, in life, income disclaimer, we're going to talk about what we feel that you can make, but income disclaimer in all these programs, folks, nothing in life happens until you take action. You do a lot of it. This thing's incredible, and I could not be more excited. When you sign up somebody, you're going to get a $200 payment, and then when they sign up people, you're going to get overrides. Folks, I've got override payments coming in. Didn't even know people were joining. And that's how this thing is. It's like income generating miracles. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, if you don't have enough in your life, folks, we are able, because we've been in it for a while, to create thousands of dollars a week. I'm not kidding you. Thousands of dollars a week in some of these programs. And we could not be more excited. And, well, Timothy, how long will they last? Folks, as long as the world is here, there will be programs for people to join. And one thing I like about these programs, they're done for you. You just set and forget your and I like them better than Forex trading, because I'm not looking at a chart all day. Look at this chart. I'm not reading the chart all day. I'm not worried about what the stock market is going to do. I'm not worried what Bitcoin's going to do tomorrow. And I'm not worried about those things. These right here, guys, I drop off 50 a day into the post office, and I'm gone about my business. Irregardless of what the Fed rate decision is, you know what I mean. Folks, I'm excited. We're going to show you what just came in, and we're going to invite you to come along. We're going to go through this flyer real quick. Give me just a few minutes, guys. Don't click off. Give me a few minutes. Let me go through this flyer and show you how you can have great success on this flyer. Tomorrow, or this week's video, I'll be talking about another program, folks, called the Profit Max Formula. That thing's incredible. It's one standalone postcard. You mail that postcard over and over again and get $500 payments. Guys, this is incredible. The United Cash Express flyer. We want to welcome Jack to the program. No, John B to the program. John, welcome to the program. Super excited. Let me show you what John sent in to us, folks. This is incredible. The United Cash Express. He joined this flyer, folks, and this is happening on a daily basis in these programs. And I'm not gonna show his personal information. I'm gonna cover that up. Let me cover that up. Not gonna show his personal information. I won't do that. But let me show you what John sent in to us. A check for $200. Let me see if we can get that in front of you. A check for $200 for the United Cash Express flyer. And what's remarkable about this, John bought 2 positions in this program. This is incredible. It's another check that he just wrote the other day, and I've just found that to be fascinating for them to get those positions in the program. I am excited about this flyer. And guys, and I'll tell you what, when you start mailing these flyers, folks, checks and money orders will start popping up at your mailbox unexpected, and people don't even know they're joining. Folks, that's exciting. And you don't even know that people are joining you. The way this flyer works, this thing absolutely works fantastic. Again, in life, nothing's going to happen until you take action and you join it and then you put it to action. If you can mail a flyer, folks, you can start receiving $200 payments on a consistent basis over and over and over again. And not only, I'm getting ready to mail another 2,000. I'm telling you, drop in the bucket is what we're trying to do. Get paid $200 and skyrocket your profits and when you need it most. For people really serious about generating a huge amounts of money sent directly to you. Making money has never been this easy. Let's all unite and earn thousands upon thousands of dollars. This is the way MLM's supposed to be. Look at this flyer, folks. This thing is incredible. When people see this in the mail, they're getting excited. Future associate. Let me fast forward the video here. Future associate. Are you ready to finally succeed and start making money with this program? The way this thing is supposed to be, mail order generates huge sums of money for the growing population. Let me tell you what, mail order has been good, and it has getting better. It's never been this good. Folks, we've got some tips, some secrets that we can share with you to explode your results. I'm telling you what, it is go time. We know where to get the mailing list. Sidebar note, Wilson's list, folks. I'm getting 70% of my list from there. 70% of the people that are signing up come from Wilson's list. I am using Wolf Enterprises, and I am using the young lady over there at Mountain Marketing. Those are my 3 go-to lists, folks. Let's go back over to this flyer. For you not Cash Express is designed to get you $200 commissions when somebody signs up. And that's where your life can change. Folks, pushing around $10 programs ain't going to get you to the income that you need to retire from your job, the income that you need to live life on your terms. But when you start picking up these big ticket commissions is where your life could change exponentially. And that's exciting. And I could not be more excited. Operating a business, folks, like the 200 Cash Express has been carefully designed and strictly monitored to produce big commissions for you. And for those of y'all that are willing to take an honest effort into mailing out the flyers on a weekly basis, folks, if you take and put forth the effort, you don't have to answer any phone calls. You don't even have to have your name on the flyer. It's up to you. Folks, there are no gimmicks. The money comes directly to you. You know immediately how much you're making. There are no minimum fees to get involved. You just mail and you get 100% cash to your mailbox. This is astounding how it works, and we're going to go through that real quick. Very excited about it. Woo! Okay, let's show you how this thing works. Are you ready? Let me get into it. And I could not be more excited. Guys, this is what I like about these flyer programs. You set about 4 or 5 of them, and then you start mailing on a consistent basis. Drop off, 25 of this one, 50 of this one, 50 of that one, 50, and then do it on a weekly basis. And what you will find out, there will be a consistent stream of income coming in forever. Not just one time, but forever. You can't just go mail 500 flyers or mail 20 flyers or 50 flyers and tell me your dreams didn't come true. But drop them consistently. And we got ways to get discount things to help you along your way. Folks, this is exciting. Let me show you this, folks. It says you're practically guaranteed to earn money with the one-time investment of $675, and you're off to the races. You've got a business in a box. Where can you start your own home-based business and to generate hundreds on a weekly basis? Where? What is our product? Our product is going to be the marketing kit. Marketing kit, you're going to get leads. You're going to get leads. You're going to get your copy of the flyer. You're going to get a kit. You're going to get free stamps to be able to start your business. And plus, you're going to get unlimited phone support, meaning they will take the calls for you as a service provided on your behalf. Honey, that is exciting. And I could not be more excited. This is powerful stuff, folks. And as we're going through, this is how it works. If you want to get started with us, you're going to send $200 to each person. Request a flyer, information will be below. And you send $200 to each person. When you get a sign up, let's say you got to recruit 10 people, you're going to be in number 2. So when they make a sale, you're going to get $200 payments. These overrides I am getting, folks, is exciting. They're very exciting when you start getting these override payments on a consistent basis. I mean, look at this, folks. I am going to go into part 2 of this flyer in just a bit for the sake of the video. But let me quickly move. They will do mailings for you. I'm going to go through this in another video, but they will do, Larry in Virginia will print out copies of the 200 cash United Express flyer at a discounted price. Folks, and have Larry do some mailings for you and start receiving these residual payments, folks. He will print and mail 4,000 copies for $99. 4,000 copies, a license to never worry again and stress again over not having enough. Folks, put it to action. And you do it over, and you do it over and over again. Great things are happening. We're on a rip to the upside. I want to invite you to come along. And that's why I take action almost on a daily basis in these programs. Because I'm telling you, some days I am so privileged and blessed and fortunate, and I'm nothing in special, to make more in one day than I had made all week working in corporate America. And that's exciting to me. And folks, we want to invite you to come along for the side. Zig Ziglar had it right. Helping other people in life get what they want. You can have everything in this life that you want. Folks, if you enjoyed the video, if you're into this kind of stuff, subscribe to this channel. Like the video. Watch the next video that's recommended right after this playlist. We'll go from there. I'll see you on the next video. We're going to be talking about Profit Max formula. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. To the next video.